two wonderful artists who are doing a program together for the first time today. Let me start with the star. Respected artist, friend, and also for me, Guru Bhai. Mr. Habib Wali Muhammad is in fact the student of the same teacher who also taught me many, many years ago when we were both young. And he, of course, has attained great fame as a singer, but we also established a special bond of having the same teacher, and that is something very special in India, as you know, and in Pakistan. Habib Ali Muhammad was born in Rangoon. He has lived in 4 different countries. And he grew up there, but since his childhood, he loved music. Then they migrated to Bombay, and his interest turned to classical music. He then started learning from famous artists, Ustad Latafat Hussain Khan and Ustad Allah Rakha. And we will find that Ustad Allah Rakha was in fact also the teacher of Uday Ramdas, who will be playing tabla. So they are also connected through the same teacher. However, Habib Ali Muhammad selected the ghazal as his special art that he would develop more. He comes from a business family, and so business has always been part of his life. In fact, in 1947, he did his MBA from Syracuse University. He studied in the US, then returned to Bombay, and before his business career started, he did something that was very radical at the time. He participated in a music contest, which was called the Great Caruso. 1,200 singers, amateur singers from all over India competed. Guess who won the first prize among male singers? Habib Ali Muhammad. Guess what the song was? Lagta Nahi Hai Ji Mera. That song became famous then. So more than 50 years ago is the life of this song, and today, if we ask him, I'm hoping that he would perhaps sing it for us. The Jashya Jalya, Raatein Thi Chandni, Marne Ki Duaayein Kyun Maangu, and Aaj Jaane Ki Zid Na Karo. That is his song, by the way, not Farida Khan. Finally, in 1985, he migrated to America, and he's been living in LA, Los Angeles. But the amazing thing is that his singing career has continued. And he is one of the very few artists who have connected that beloved past of the early songs of the 40s and 50s with today's musical world. And we are incredibly grateful that he has come once again to perform for us. Now, Uday Ramdas. He's come directly from India, a brilliant young talent, a student of Ustad Allah Rakha, and he has done a master's degree in music from the University of Pune. Uday has been here since about Christmas, and he has done amazing things here in this city. He has already published 4 CDs with music composed by him, fusion music. He's a good composer in addition to being a tabla player. He composed music for the Paris Film Festival. Here, he has 2 institutional affiliations. He composes and teaches through an organization that's called Sunoloka. Nice name. And he has been and will continue to be affiliated with the Center for Ethnomusicology at the University of Alberta, where I've had the pleasure to have him work for us in teaching our students Indian music. So now, without delay, we want to welcome both these artists and give them a great hand.
ख़वातीन हज़रात, आप लोगों का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। आप लोगों ने बड़ी इज्जत अफजाई की है कि यहाँ आज आए और हमें मौका दिया कि आपके सामने अपने फ़न का मुज़ाहरा करें। मैं आपके खिदमत में हज़रत अमीर खुसरो का कलाम पेश करूँगा। उससे पहले एक थोड़े कुछ दोहे बड़े खूबसूरत हैं, वो आप लोगों की खिदमत में पेश कर रहा हूँ। उसके बाद छाप तिलक सब छीनी रे मुझसे नए ना मिलाएंगे। लकड़ी जल कोयला भई और कोयला जल भयो राख। लकड़ी जल कोयला भई और कोयला जल भयो राख। मैं पापन ऐसी जरी सो कोयला भई न राख। आजा साजन नैनन में पलक ढांप तोहे लो। आजा साजन नैनन में पलक ढांप तोहे लो। ना मैं देखूं और को ना तोहे देखन दूं। सजन सतारे जाएंगे और नैन मरेंगे रोज। सजन सतारे जाएंगे और नैन मरेंगे रोज। बिधना ऐसी रहन कर और कभू ना होए। साजन ये मत जानियो कि तुम बिसरत मोह चैन। साजन ये मत जानियो कि तुम बिसरत मोह चैन। दिया जरत है रात को जिया जरत है दिन में। माटी कहे कुम्हार से अरे तू क्या रोंदे मोय। माटी कहे कुम्हार से तू क्या रोंदे मोय। एक दिन ऐसा होएगा मैं इंतजार तो कागा सब तन खाइयो और चुन चुन खाइयो मस्त, पर ये दो नैना मत खाइयो, इन्हें पिया मिलन की आस। गोरी सोहे सेज पे, गोरी सोहे सेज पे, मुख पर डाले केस, गोरी सोहे सेज पे और मुख पर डाले केस, चल खुसरो घर आपनो, सांझ भई चौदेस, तो छाप तिलक सब छीनी रे, मोसे नैना मिलई के, छाप तिलक सब छीनी रे, मोसे नैना मिलई के, नैना मिलई के मोसे, नैना मिलई के, नैना मिलई के मोसे, नैना मिलई के मोसे, नैना मिलई के, बात अधम कह दी रे, मोसे नैना हारी, मोसे नैना ओ होरी, मोसे नैना मिलई के, छाप तिलक सब छीनी रे, मोसे नैना मिलई के। बल बल जाऊं मैं तोरे रंग रेजेबा, बल बल जाऊं मैं तोरे रंग रेजेबा, मैं तोरे रंग रेजेबा, मैं तोरे रंग रेजेबा, बल बल जाऊं तोरे रंग रेजेबा, मैं तोरे रंग रेजेबा, मैं तोरे रंग रेजेबा, बल बल जाऊं मैं तोरे रंग रेजेबा, अपनी से रंग दी रे, मोसे नैना मिलई के, अपनी से रंग दी रे, मोसे नैना मिलई के, नैना मिलई के मोसे, नैना मिलई के मोसे, नैना मिलई के, बात अधम कह दी रे, मोसे नैना हारी, मोसे नैना ओ होरी, मोसे नैना मिलई के, छाप तिलक सब छीनी रे, मोसे नैना मिलई के। प्रेम भटिका मधवा पिलई के, प्रेम भटिका मधवा पिलई के, हाँ मधवा पिलई के, प्रेम